quick intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Recently, we had purchased a BambuLab A1 Mini 3D printer. So in this video, I'll show you how you can unload and load filament on this printer. So now I already have a black PETG filament loaded into the printer. First we have to remove this. Go to filament option and click on unload button. These are the steps the printer will go through. It is heating the nozzle. It's moving to the complete left to cut the filament. And finally ask us to remove the existing filament from the tube. Directly pull it out. So I'll remove this black spool and load the white one. And always make sure the filament end comes from the bottom side in this way. Go to edit option and here select the filament brand, type and color. Then click on load button. Again, the printer will go through some initial steps. And ask us to push the new filament into the tube. Till it cannot be pushed further, and continue. We can select not extruded option and retry until we get the new filament extruded from the nozzle. Once you can see the new filament, select the second option as filament extruded, continue. We get this load successful message and you can start with your new print. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.